Crew resource management is a term taken from aviation or aeronautics. In the airline industry, every time before you take off on an airplane, the pilot looks at a checklist. That's standardization and process, and we want to adopt that in everything that we do in order to assure that we're delivering the safest care possible to our patients.
Crew resource management highlights the issues of patient safety, and it engages the medical staff and the hospital staff together to solve the problems that we've all been trying to avoid as far as medication errors, wrong side surgery, left sponges, lost articles, and so on.
LifeWings is a consulting agency. They are Top Gun pilots, they're astronauts, and they bring expertise from aviation, the airline industry, into healthcare. With the training that we've done for all of our staff and our physicians, they are now empowered to identify potential failures in process, to stop the line early on before an adverse event or anything that we wouldn't expect to occur occurs.
I think the career resource management has helped me become a better patient advocate as a nurse and as a member of the surgical team. With the development of the hardwired safety tools, we are confident that we're doing what's in the best interest of the patient more so now than we were in the past.
And in order to recognize a potential failure in a process, you see it, you say it out loud so your team members know it, and then you fix it. Everybody's operating under that mantra of see it, say it, fix it.
Years ago, it was always the doctor was the boss, and no one talked back to the physician. Well, now it's giving the mindset that we're all in this for the patient and patient safety. And if we see something that's wrong or something that appears to be wrong, we have that empowerment to say stop.
There was quite a bit of controversy early on, and so someone asked the question, who's against patient safety? And all of a sudden, all the questions went away. So I think it's like Motherhood America and a hot lunch for orphans. Who can be against those things?
Since January of 2009, after truly embedding CRM processes in our operating room, we've had 0 sentinel events in the OR, no wrong side surgeries, truly 0 defects. And we credit that to the teamwork, the communication, and those standardized processes in our OR. CRM has really embedded that. 0 defects is what we're striving for.
It used to be not unusual for me to walk into an operating room and not know all of the players in the room by first name. Now that doesn't happen. I know everyone in the room, I know everyone's role, and I know what they are expecting of me, and I know what I am expecting of them.
The main benefit for the patient, I think, is they're coming into a safer and more efficient environment. They come to us vulnerable at times, relying on us to provide for them the best experience possible. As we improve our techniques and our procedures, that leads to better patient care.
I think identifying this program as the program of the year sends a very clear and strong message. It shows a commitment by the medical staff, the Board of Trustees, and the administration, as well as the hospital staff, that we are going back to our prime directive, first, do no harm. And I think this message is now loud and clear.